Right, hello,
For fuck's sake.
and welcome back to another episode. Looking for a new spot to go, not a new spot, but looking for a spot to go and camp in, so get the hammocks in the trees, tree swingers. I'll get back to you very shortly.
Just put a tea down there when I fucking need it. I'm sure.
Eric!
Go on, here's lad.
We just rolled up to a pond and we just nearly been chin off two Canadian pongies.
All coming at us, like.
They're all coming at us. So I think we're gonna camp around here somewhere, like. There's a bit of forest just over there. I think we're gonna dive in there. A couple of benches we can sit and have our food now, and there's a bin right there now. How convenient. Well, the plan is we'll see you back here very shortly. We've been eating some of these. Once you pop, you just can't stop, so I put a little bit on. Hot and spicy ones, get it. Lovely. Tastes like curry, actually, like a proper curry. And right on cue, here comes the rain. Get in. See it there in the trees, there's a squirrel. Yes, I've got that mint on camera, ho. Who's Sean? You're getting these nuts. Chew your food. Tastes like Bombay mix, actually, then for Pringles. Anyway, we found a spot for the night. We're going to set up a bit later on because people walking all over the place, and it's a bit like you'll get seen if you fucking got in with a big bag in your back, you know what I mean, sort of thing. So we're going to wait until no one's about. But we're staying at a Fatfield pond by the river, by the pond in the middle of there's a little forest bit. I'll show you just momentarily. Wait, look at the grey skies up there behind me. Me and Phil's going to sit and chill on the park bench near the pond, have a bottle or two, wait for everyone to fuck off at the car park, not then we're going to jump in that forest and bring you along for the journey, so stay tuned. I'm going to put, stay tuned, I'm going to put you on the time lapse while we're just chilling here, so enjoy. Just approaching the spot here. Ignore the fucking cameraman shit a second. Fuck's sake. Oh man. The coast is clear. We're down in. Now, it's like a forest in here. Well, I'm stuck on everything. Oh, and there's an opening that we found there. You take some trees not down there. Get back to this moment already. Really don't know if you can see us, but I'm going to get the clearing spot with this saw. The AEG 20-inch saw. Let's get to that. But last thing you would have seen was a time lapse, but I took it off because you've seen it a million times. I thought I would show you the final thing, all set up. Why not? So here it is. I've got my drinks down there, for later on in the morning. They're the ones for later on, probably the morning and the later on. Vegetable noodle soup, 600 calories on that. King pot noodle, chili con carne, standard on the old famous coaster. Got a baguette, some Mentos, I've got some Doritos, you've seen the all the Pringles and everything else, so aye. And the setup I'm using is just my hammock. Get this light on so you can see a bit better. Sleeping bag tonight is the Ozark Trail. I've only ever used it once and I can't remember because it was that long ago. I've just been lending it out to everybody that's been coming camping, so tonight Like my first gun in that actual sleeping bag. So I'll let you know what that's like now, because it is getting a bit cold. I've got the underquilt on top, over the top obviously because the wind's windy as fuck. In my sleeping bag, so that's 4 season sleeping bag by the way, so let's see how that does. And I've got one end, I'll flip this around again. I've got one end propped up on a stick here, so from afar that's what my setup looks like. I'm probably going to keep the noise down because it's, see, literally just there is that fucking, is the pond. And here's what Phil's looking like. He's got his DD top, 3x3, with all the fucking attachment things on them. And he's rocking the homemade underquilt, made out of a sleeping bag. Some elastic, stitched on. You know. And he's rocking that hammock. He's putting his space bars in because he's a weirdo. The bag he's got is the Wildcam Cook NE bag. So I'll get with in a bit. This is what we're looking like from the side. Proper little houses. Yeah, just for me by the way, so I can now they're on my zip there. So when I'm lying down, just pull that when I'm lying down instead of getting out the hammock to shut my hammock. So that's what they're dangling there if you're wondering. But aye, shit for luck. Tots. Shiny. Walk past where we're camping. Like, I'll tell you when I'm directly behind me setup. Now, I'll come in there. Can't see fucking nothing. If you try and look, I can see it there. Cause I'm looking for it. I can see your setup. Yeah, mine there through the thing. If you're just walking past, you can never see that though. No chance. Happy days, campers, and I'm just rocking this new fleece I'm just getting from Lidl for £8. Yee. I thought it would a bit better. This is a large one, it's a little bit tight, like, but £7.99 Lidl. Get it while stocks last. Not sponsored now either. Bang. Right, guys, we're off out in the woods. We're just checking first to see if anyone's getting about. So I'll show you. Oh, there's someone sitting on the table over there as well, shit. See him? On my camera. Ah! Fucking creeps in the bush, eh? We're gonna try the other side because that guy's, I made that daft noise and he's looking about. My bad. Oh, look, there's the pass right there, look. See, there's people coming. Get out this bit here. And we're out as if nothing happened. Shit, there's people walking behind us, seeing us. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm reaching on just on the other side where I made that noise. What are you around? Here's all Willie. I'm gonna this way. Graffiti. No. Say no to graffiti.
Unless it's good.
It says that it said no. Why did the graffiti say no?
Don't do it.
Graffiti said no. We're fucking just rambling on, rambling kids. You know? Yeah, I was smoking you. It's like that grass here, it's pure fucking Clark Kent. Fuck that. Look there. Tire marks and everything in it. And I think you can see probably there like. But it's boggy. Boggy. And I've already fucked these bad boys. Onwards. Well, chilling by the pond and look at the little view I've got here. I'll show you. I think they're the baby swans. What they're called? Cygnets. Is that right? Could be talking a load of bollocks there. Fuck knows. Loads of them. Oh, they're baby, like little small ones. I think I'm just gonna light this stool for a bit of ambience. Easy as that. Stop that stick wick in the floor.
Oh, it's a weird. You can see it in the white foot.
Oh, fucking boring. There's a fire there on, and obviously it's in the firebox because this has turned out, ladies and gentlemen, to be a proper, you can't even see it, a proper stealth camp. But I people keep walking past in here. Can't even see this properly. People keep walking past, like really close cars keep pulling up, so I'm gonna turn the light off because someone else is there now. Pretty full. It's blocked in from all three walls, apart from the one we're looking at. So, and I can even close that one if I want to. We can hear rustling in the bushes. I don't know what the fuck it is. Can you hear it walking? There's someone behind our cell, but what the fuck? They'll probably be able to see that light. Honestly, someone's walking around like, what the fuck? Whatever it is, it's directly by myself. Honestly. The fuck's that? Can you hear that? Made someone. Somebody's walking around out there. What shall we do? Shall we confront them? What kind of are they? Stop this a minute. Hey guys and girls, I don't know what the fuck was going on there, like, but noises have just stopped. Stopped. Next week you're gonna see us get some food on, hopefully, so I'll see you soon. Oh, fuck, there's still loads of rustling going on, so I'll put my fucking light on now, like, fuck it. Stealth camp or not. I've had a fucking enough. It's still rusting around, whatever the fuck it is, like. I don't know if it's somebody or something. I don't fucking know. I don't like it. I said before, the next clip's gonna be bait, but I'm gonna get the bait on just now. Because the noises were fucking weird, like, I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck? I almost forgot to bring these along. A garlic baguette down in the pan. And with the garlic oil now, because sticking it in the pan. Just put this on the pan, so here it is. Just got about a couple of minutes. The chili con carne is over there, cooling down. We're not cooling down, but like just there while he's warm back up. Then we're away, ladies and gents. We're just gonna get this chili. Imagine the handle come off. It's gonna come off. Come on, the bigger one. Don't know which one's bigger. Fucking hell, the pan's red hot as well, you tit. Aye, 2 seconds I'll get back with you, fucking burnt us bits. Oh. Right, ladies and gents, I'm going to put a fucking time lapse of us eating this on, but right, ladies and gentlemen, the situation is I've actually remembered my charger this time, but I forgot the fucking wire. My phone's on 15%, so I'm going to try and save some of the battery, so I'll obviously do the rest of the video. But if not, I'm going to just go off here. Obviously going to have the rest of the fucking lunch, get the rest of the bottles down where whatnot, and I've left the phone on like hyperlapse is too long if they don't fucking waste the battery. I'm going to have to go because people are walking around. So if I don't see you before, I'll see you in the morning. Good night, YouTube. Yes, it is that time. They got the old gloves out. We're just in the street. We're having one last walk around the little camp thing before we jump in. So obviously we haven't left any lights on now, so we can't see what other people are seeing, but show you how close we are to the house, isn't it? We're in there. There's my car. We're in there. Spooky. Walks through the fucking spider's web. Fuck's sake. Can you hear that drain? You can hear it under the ground inside the drain. There's another drain there, man. Mad dog. But like I say, I don't know if I've already said, but this is the last of the battery, so this is the last little bit before I jump in my bed, so hopefully I've got enough camera to go to bed and wake up in the morning. So folks, I'll catch you then. Badoosh. Where is it? Whoa, you fucker. You come straight for me there. Don't know what it's doing, like. Dying. Fuck that. Didn't hit it was gonna fucking sting us. Right, YouTube, this is the last from me tonight. I'm in my hammock now, so I'll catch yous in the morrow. Good night.
I'm just sticking in the woods. Whoa.
Yes, I can, because he's an actual Spider-Man. I'll record this spider hanging on the old top. We've got a little meat there now. Guys would love this. Right, and just like that, and that's a bit of a, just like I haven't said a good morning, but good morning. I've just woke up, this is Phil's phone, and I forgot to refilm in the morning, but my phone died last night, like I say, so if you're still watching now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Badoosh.